Sawadee, y'all, and welcome back. Another beautiful morning on the trip. Today we're heading from this Golden Triangle to another little city along the Mekong River. The entire trip today will be 60, I think, let me take that back. I have some little scenic spots to go to, so I think the entire trip today is actually going to be around 70 odd kilometers, not very far. Well, we're making our way. We are currently beautiful mountains in the background there. Check the map here. We are 28 kilometers. It says a half hour, so nice road. Good speed on the road. Ain't much else going on. Well, we got a popular little rest stop there, or something. Beautiful road as it looks in the mountains. I think burning season's already starting. I can see a haze, and the AQI, it ain't good already. It's already doing 70 to 100 a day. So, and I'm heading east right now. Eventually, I think once I get to, I'll be heading east for a while, and then once I get to like Udon Thani, that region, it'll be more south. That's a week or so away. Oh, I see a windmill. Anytime I see a windmill, all I think is there's a putt-putt golf course somewhere. I don't think that's the case this time, which is disappointing. I could go for some putt-putt golf. I don't know if I actually crossed the mountains to get where I'm going. We're gonna find out. I mean, it's only like I said, like 28 something kilometers. Now my map's upside down. There we go. Yeah, 26 kilometers. And it's giving me an ETA of 26 minutes, which tells me that you can keep pretty good speed up. And being able to go 60 kilometers an hour off the beaten path, not on main highways, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. A lot of times you can be crawling, going 40 to 50. Okay. I had sort of two options to ride today. One of them was to follow the Mekong, which I'm sure is pretty, but you know, usually a lot of times on those roads you don't really get a view of the Mekong. It's buildings and everything else. It's like a beach road, you know. Well, you follow the beach road, but you know, it's nothing but hotels on the, you know, between you and the beach. I'm glad I took this little mountain pass. Well, let's take a little break at the picnic area. It's dirty. I don't like to take breaks in dirty spots. Mountain Pass rest stop. Great ride through the mountains. Just went up a grade that was it listed as 14%. It's ridiculous. Wonderful view from the rest stop. I can see on the camera display right now that it makes the sky look a lot bluer. It really makes blues blue on this camera. There's a lot of haze. We do have swings at the rest stop, and a lady selling oranges over there, which I've ran into several, like a little bit going through the villages in the towns. A lot of people selling oranges, so I don't know if oranges are popular crop here or some kind of, they look like oranges, let me put it that way. Still only have, I don't have that long. I only have like 20 minutes to the hotel in the town. All right, we got about 6 kilometers to go to the hotel. We are now riding beside the Mekong River. Yeah, we're getting ready to go up a steep ass hill. We're in 4th gear. That ain't gonna last. Yep, it's dying quickly. 3rd gear. Maybe even have to be 2nd gear before we're done. Let's go, girl. Come on, Dolly. Oh yeah, we'll make it in 3rd. We'll just crest the hill. Quite windy through the pass here. You can see the hotel on the Lao side. We got to take a right here, and our hotel should be less than a kilometer down the road here. Open up the visor, because I don't know if you know this, but I'm in the wrong gear. But it's easier to navigate if your visor's open. It's sort of like turning the radio down when you're trying to get directions. Let the car pass. Let people pass me, because when I'm navigating, I don't like people on my ass. Oh, we got a nice big temple right here to the right. Very big temple. We might have to do a little temple tour. Very ornate. Oh, it's closed, so I guess we ain't doing that. Staying at the Sleeping Whale Guest House. Little locally owned place, and locally I don't think there's any other options in this area. I mean, this is not a major metropolitan area. And we're a little before technically check-in time's 2 o'clock. We're about 1:15. My building should be right over here on the right somewhere. Yep, that's it right there. Sleeping Whale Hostel. It's a hostel. I don't think there's any. There are shared bathrooms, like for some of the rooms. I don't know where I can park at, because I'm gonna park right here. So there's a little confusion with the room. It wasn't clean. Called the lady back, check in by phone,
And so she gave me an upgrade. That's 2 nights in a row with an upgrade. And here we go, nice little room. Original room was about 550 baht. I don't know what this room cost, but it cost me 550 baht. But nice little wardrobe, nice little chair. Oh, nice bathroom. Shower curtain. There's a rare sight in Thailand. Anyway, that's 2 nights in a row with a free upgrade. This is what happens when you're living right. I'm hungry. Get some lunch. Is there a giant elephant over here? What's going on? Oh, okay. Beautiful walkway along the river here. Heading towards a restaurant here on the river. Has good reviews.